Birds. This pelican has a big, long beak. There is a deep sack of skin under its beak. The sack holds fish that the pelican scoops up from the water. This bird is a road runner. It lives in the desert and spends most of its time on the ground. It eats fast, lizards, snakes, and birds. The road runner runs very fast to get its food. These toucans live in the rainforest. It has a big, colorful beak. It uses its beak to pick fruits from trees. This big bird is an emu. It cannot fly because it has small wings for such a light body, but it has very long, strong legs. It can run very fast to get away from danger. This puffin is small fish. It is short and fat and has a colorful beak. Puffins look funny on land, but they spend most of their time in the sea. They swim under the water with the wind. Most owls come out at night. They have big eyes to help them see in a dark. Their feathers are very short. Many can fly without making a sound. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds. They are bright and colorful. They can stay in on plants when they fly. They use their long beaks and toes to get food from flowers and go fly high above the ground. They can spot snakes, mice, and fish from high over land and water. Eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp beaks. They use their face and beaks to catch food and read its paper. Cockatoos have thick, sharp beaks that can crack open head nerves. Cockatoos live in large groups. They can be very loud.
Vultures.
Vulture is deep animal. Many have no feathers on their head. Many have big holes in their beak. The holes help them to smell food from far away.